The universe is filled with wonders. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars. We have wondered about the mysteries of the cosmos. Now we stand at the edge of a new frontier. This frontier is not in space, it is in the realm of creativity. It is the world of generative AI. Generative AI is a powerful tool. It allows us to create new things. We can generate text, images, and even music. This technology is changing how we think about creativity. It is opening up new possibilities for artists, writers, and musicians. Imagine a world where anyone can create a symphony. Imagine a world where anyone can paint like Van Gogh. Generative AI is making this possible. It is democratizing creativity. It is giving everyone the power to express themselves in new and exciting ways. This is the dawn of a new creative era. The future of content creation is here, and it is powered by generative AI. Let us explore this exciting new world together. Let us discover the magic of generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence. It learns from existing data. It then uses this knowledge to create new content. Imagine feeding a machine thousands of paintings. This machine learns from the colors, shapes, and styles. It can then create its own unique paintings. This is the magic of generative AI. It is not simply copying. It is understanding patterns and creating something new. It is like teaching a child to paint. The child learns from their teacher, then they develop their own style. Generative AI works in a similar way. It learns from the data it is given, then it uses this learning to generate something new and original. This technology is rapidly evolving. It is becoming more sophisticated and powerful every day. This technology is not just for artists and musicians. It has applications in various fields. From marketing to medicine, generative AI is changing the way we work and live. Let's meet some of the stars of the Generative AI show. These are tools that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. First up, we have GPT-3. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-3 is a language powerhouse. It can generate human-quality text. Imagine writing a poem, a script, or even a whole book. GPT-3 can help you do all of this and more. Next, we have DALL-E, also from OpenAI. DALL-E is an image wizard. You give it a text description, and it conjures up an image. Want a picture of a cat wearing a hat while riding a unicorn? DALL-E can make it happen. These are just two examples of the many generative AI tools available today. Each tool has its own strengths and capabilities. They are constantly being improved and refined. The possibilities with these tools are endless. They are limited only by our imagination. They are tools that can empower us to be more creative and innovative. Generative AI is not just a fad, it is a technological revolution. It is transforming industries across the board. Let's see how. Marketing and advertising. Imagine creating personalized ads that resonate with each customer. Generative AI can analyze data and tailor marketing campaigns like never before. Entertainment and media. From generating realistic special effects in movies to creating new musical melodies, generative AI is changing how we consume entertainment. Healthcare and medicine. Generative AI can help analyze medical images, develop new drug therapies, and even personalize patient care. These are just a few examples of how generative AI is making a real-world impact. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge. Generative AI is not just changing industries, it is creating new ones. It is opening up new avenues for entrepreneurship and innovation. Section 5. Fun with AI, interesting facts and applications. Generative AI is not all serious business. It can be a lot of fun too. Here are some interesting facts and applications. Did you know there are art galleries showcasing AI-generated art? These artworks are often sold as NFTs, which stands for non-fungible tokens. There are AI systems that can compose original music in different styles, from classical to jazz to pop. Imagine interactive stories where the plot changes based on your choices, all powered by AI. These are just a few examples of the fun and quirky side of generative AI. It shows us that this technology is not just about efficiency, it is also about exploring new forms of creativity and expression. Generative AI is opening up a world of possibilities, making the world a more creative and imaginative place. Section 6, the future of creation, opportunities and challenges. The future of content creation is bright with generative AI, but like any powerful tool, it comes with responsibilities. Opportunities: generative AI empowers anyone to be a creator, regardless of their skills or background. AI can automate tedious tasks, freeing up human creators to focus on higher-level creative thinking. Generative AI enables us to explore new artistic styles and mediums that were previously unimaginable. Challenges: we need to ensure AI is used responsibly and does not perpetuate biases or misinformation. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it is important to address potential job displacement and provide retraining opportunities. Questions around authorship and ownership of AI-generated content need to be addressed. By carefully navigating these opportunities and challenges, we can harness the power of generative AI for the greater good. Section 7. Join the conversation, your questions and thoughts. The world of generative AI is constantly evolving. It's a vast and fascinating space with something for everyone. What are your thoughts on this transformative technology? What excites you the most about the future of AI and creativity? What concerns do you have? Have you experimented with any AI tools yourself? Share your experiences and let's learn from each other. Let's engage in a thoughtful and informed discussion about the future we are building together. Your voice matters. Your perspective is valuable. Let's explore this new frontier of creativity together. Section 8. Conclusion: embracing the future of content creation. We are standing at the cusp of a new era, an era where imagination meets technology in unprecedented ways. Generative AI is not just a tool, it is a creative partner. It is a force that can amplify our own creativity and help us achieve things we never thought possible. The future of content creation is collaborative. It is about humans and AI working together. It is about leveraging each other's strengths to create something truly extraordinary. So let us embrace this future with open minds and a spirit of exploration. Let us use this powerful technology to inspire, to innovate, and to create a more beautiful and imaginative world. The journey into the world of generative AI has just begun. Are you ready to explore it?